If you ever noticed a drop in tire pressure in all four tires at the same time, it is not likely you ran over a bucket of nails. Rather, it can be attributed to the cold air outside, which has resulted in the drop in tire pressure. Well, with spring here and summer right around the corner, there is the possibility of quite the opposite happening to your tires than the effect winter will have on your tires. The warm outside air can cause your tires to expand, so as you could assume, checking your tires with a tire pressure gauge is crucial when the warm air comes around. The rule of thumb: tire pressure will go up approximately 1 pound per square inch, (psi), for every 10 Fahrenheit increase in temperature. So, let's assume your manufacturer's recommended inflation level is 35 psi. On one of those all-time hot August afternoons, your tire pressure could increase to somewhere around 40 psi. Problems that can occur. As you should know by now, bad things can happen if your tires are either too low or too high. Hence, if you notice your tires are overinflated in certain conditions, you are at risk of premature wear, poor traction and handling, tires overheating, tire blowouts. How to avoid. Number 1, check tire pressure. To let you in on a little secret, you most likely have a spare tire in your truck or under that truck bed. Checking tire pressure is essential, especially before driving on a road trip after your tires have been sitting all night. Read our 5 steps to changing a tire or 5 steps to checking tire pressure. Number 2, knowing right air pressure. It may be a surprise, but your tire most likely doesn't take the same air pressure as your wife or your husband's vehicle. Make sure you inflate the tire to the recommended tire pressure. To find this, you simply look into the driver's manual for the tire pressure chart, or just Google it. Do not assume that all tires have the same tire pressures, as that is a wrong assumption. Number 3, carry a tire pressure gauge. Do you have a tire gauge in your vehicle besides the tire pressure monitoring system that comes with your vehicle? We recommend that you own an external tire gauge because of the inconsistencies with internal tire gauges and tire pressure sensors. You can get a more affordable tire gauge or a more expensive tire gauge depending on what you want. We have multiple options. Purchase our tire gauge here. Read our 5 reasons you should own an external tire gauge. Number 4, be careful when letting air out of your tires. If you think your tires are too inflated, make sure the tires aren't hot because this could cause underinflated tires. Number 5, always have a portable tire inflator. If you do not have a portable tire inflator in your trunk, then we highly recommend you get one. Having a tire inflator can save you hundreds of dollars instead of getting your car towed because you have a flat tire and you also have a flat spare tire. Luckily for you, we carry tire inflators. Purchase one here.